Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you,
Sabina just said we are stupid.
getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, the tall black chick, and we are back with another Clack video. Are you guys kidding me? My father is outside.
He knows.
Okay. So guys, this is how much fun we are going to be having today. You already heard the chorus bumble clap. We're going to be having so much fun today. It's the girls' day out, and we're going to have a lot of fun. We have food, we have drinks, we have a liquor. I can't wait for that. And we're gonna be TikToking all day. Okay. Maya, come through. We have what? By the way, that's Savannah, guys. Hi. That's Savannah. Guys, we're gonna be having so much fun. So stick around. We're about to have fun.
I actually like that.
Okay.
Find it where I don't be out of anything. Sorry, I'm clean. That is so clean. So clean. On my phone, right?
Oh, dear. My phone.
On my phone, right?
My phone.
Wow.
But you will need this video.
I've never seen that side of you before.
Why you violent? This girl.
Interesting.
Hey, Jesus.
Wow. I'm a beast.
You're a goat.
I'm a man. So please drive carefully. We're rushing, but we're not rushing. I like Abima.
Because she's been holding the cord for so long and nobody's actually answering her.
Is this a video?
Yeah. So guys, we're on our way. That will come to your mind.
Oh God! So let's. I got ready to introduce yourself now. No, now she's our friend.
Can you imagine? Sabina just said we are stupid.
Come down and go.
Get down.
Oh yeah.
Hey, get down from the car.
Pull over. Oh yeah. Get down. Oh, baby, pull over. Show me your certificate. Don't worry.
They catch us. We are press, man.
Yeah.
We're press men.
We are on our
like me.
I can do my niggas,
But they will still wife me.
just tell a team, make them like Barbie. Had to come off IG, so
Baby, so my God, oh yeah. How will you know that I'm the one for you? That you're the one for me? If you don't say hello, just say hello. Hey guys, we just got here. We at the Barracuda Resort. Hey, we're here. guys, they just touched down. So we are trying to like set up, like you know how TJ is set up. We're trying to set up like that. And we are waiting for Savannah. Savannah is trying to change, I guess. Yeah. So we're trying to book a place for everything to settle down. So yeah.
Kwele, is the smoke?
The smoke is shocking.
It's shocking.
Shocking. So what you're gonna do is come with us. Let's have some fun. That's my baby girl right there. Let's.
Why are you speaking like you're presenting? You are just too much of a presenter is your blood.
Always. You can't take the stick out of
my dear.
the girl.
Okay.
You can't take the girl out of
Okay. I think we get yeah. Yeah.
You got it.
Yeah, we got it.
What's up, people? You know what it is? Yo. Maya's collection. By the way, oh no.
OOTD. OOTD, baby.
OTD.
OOTD. Come on. Come on. Come on.
What you say? Maya's collection. Your collection.
On the top.
I like
Maya's collection for the tops for today. Yeah. Maya's collection. That's Maya's collection.
That's Maya's collection. That they bullying me like a bullion van.
Don't be angry. Chill. You do your shout out again. Just chill.
Yeah.
All right. So hey guys, you guys are always hearing us say Maya's collection. There she is.
You know.
CEO.
Yeah.
OCE. Everything. Creative.
Hot ball.
Such a meal.
Such a beauty.
What happened?
You know.
Killer day. Killer shit.
Hey ladies, what's up? What it is? What's up?
This is the camera bag.
Are you a guy? Oh no, guys, we brought water.
Come on.
Oh yeah, let's go. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, wait.
I think we all have different agendas here.
Oh yeah, I'm recording.
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
What?
C,
Right?
yes, C.
What?
Food.
Can I call it seafood?
Hey guys, so we're here and we have all our drinks out. Okay, not all our drinks, but we have our drinks out. We have drinks, we have our cup, we have chips. You know, I just started eating chips, but we're going to enjoy today. Yeah, and then we have our food in a cooler. I think we're the only ones that came here with a cooler, but it's cool.
Who cares?
It's fine. We came here to eat. And then we have ice there. What do we have? What else do we have? Yeah, so that's everything we have, guys.
Don't leave me.
How many minutes are we going to? Is it one to start?
10 seconds, yeah. 10 seconds. Give me like few seconds before you start doing
Let's count 3 seconds. So what's the step? What's the step? I'm not doing like this. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay. All right. Cover your face. Yeah. Oh, yeah, now. Face. Cover our face. Yeah. Sabana is tired. We'll do rubbish. Let her explain. Oh, yeah, I know that. Even you do it, you're like, okay, are you not ready? Are you not foolish? Oh, yeah, go ahead, John. Let's walk around. So that means we first do paparazzi first. Yeah. When you do. Let's be like this. Yeah. So wait, where the places you are doing it here? Let's do it. Yes. Oh yeah. Let's do it. Yeah. Everybody. Oh yeah. You see how this is? Let me do my No. You can't only me. Yes.
Hello? Yeah? We are outside. Outside the beach. Like, can you call that guy and ask him if he can help us secure a place? Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, come on, pull me.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Hey guys, what's happening? What's poppin'? How y'all doing?
So we're at the beach today. Hey guys, I'm having like loads of fun. Hey guys, so we are done, but I'm still eating. They're literally waiting for me, so they're gonna have to wait. But yeah, I've had so much fun. I hope you enjoy the TikTok videos we did. I know it's a fail, but I mean that's us having fun. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much. Let me know what you think about this vlog. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.